Categories of farm tools and equipment. Garden tools and equipment. These are tools and equipment used for field management practices that are done on crops, such as pruning, pest and disease control, watering, among others. Workshop tools and equipment. These are the tools and equipment which are used for the construction and maintenance of farm structures. Livestock production tools and equipment. These are the tools and equipment used for routine management practices in livestock, for example, for identification, castration, dehorning, disease and parasite control, breeding, milking, and restraining animals. Masonry tools and equipment. These are the tools and equipment used for wide range of masonry work during construction or demolition. Plumbing tools and equipment. These are the tools and equipment used for wide range of plumbing work. For example, maintenance of piping system below is an illustration of knapsack sprayer being used. Hand brace, nozzle, trigger, hose pipe, pneumatic lever, knapsack sprayer state the functions of the following. Knapsack sprayer parts. Functions of knapsack sprayer parts 1. Pneumatic lever creates pressure in the tank which causes spray to be drawn from the tank. 2. Delivery hose delivers the chemical from the tank to the hand lance. 3. Trigger allows the spray out to the hand lance when pressed. 4. Hand lance delivers the chemical from the delivery hose to the nozzle. 5. Nozzle allows the spray to come out in small droplets. 6. Tank stores spray solution when in use. 7. Cap covers the spray tank. 8. Strap holding the knapsack sprayer on the back of the user. Farm tools and equipment. Use of farm tools and equipment. These include simple instruments held in the hand to perform a particular operation, and equipment are more complicated and specific to given operations. In this lesson, they are classified as follows. Garden tools and equipment are used in crop production operations. Livestock tools and equipment are used in livestock management practices. Plumbing tools and equipment are used for fitting and repairing water systems. Masonry tools and equipment are used for construction using stones, bricks, and concrete. Workshop tools and equipment are used for construction and maintenance of farm tools, equipment, and structures as illustrated below. There are many field management practices that are done on crops, such as pruning, pest and disease control, watering, among others. The effectiveness and efficiency of these practices require the use of appropriate tools and equipment. Curved blade panga, uses of garden tools and equipment blade. Panga, used for cutting grass, weeding, and slashing. NB slashing means making a sweeping cut axe. Used for felling trees. Mattock, used for removing roots and large stones. Djembe hoe, used for cultivating land or weeding crops. Fork, djembe, used for removing roots and large stones, breaking heavy soils, digging hard soils. Shovel, used for lifting soil, applying manure. Uses of livestock production tools and equipment. These are the tools and equipment used for routine management practices in livestock, for example, for identification, castration, dehorning, disease, and parasite control, breeding, milking, and restraining animals. Elastrator. For expanding rubber ring during bloodless castration, docking, and dehorning. Burdizo handle. Burdizo. For bloodless castration of young animals such as rams, bulls, and goats. Syringe and needle for administering drugs by injection, for extraction of blood samples from an animal for analysis. Drenching gun, to administer liquid drugs especially for control of internal parasite. Halter, bull ring, and lead stick, used in tying animals' neck and mouth in order to restrain and lead the animal. Bull ring used to restrain and lead animals, especially bulls. The leading stick helps to keep a safe distance between the farmer and the bull. Strip cup, for detecting mastitis, trocar, and cannula. For treatment of bloat by piercing the left side of the abdomen to allow the accumulated gases to escape. Ear notcher, for making holes and notches on the animal's ears for identification purposes. Uses of workshop tools and equipment. These are the tools and equipment which are used for the construction and maintenance of farm structures. They are used for working on wood or metals. The following are some of the farm tools and equipment. Crosscut saw, used for cutting across the grains of timber. Tenon/back saw, used for cutting wood grains for joinery work. Coping saw, used for cutting curves in wood. Spokeshave, used for smoothing curved and round surfaces. Wood chisel, used for trimming off rough edges on wood, making holes and joints in wood. Cold chisel cutting, or trimming thick metal sheets to... Hi guys, If this is the first time you've come to my channel, please go down the bottom, hit that subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video similar to this. Keep watching.